Auction versus fixed listing, which one should you be actually picking? A lot of people are asking, what is the use of actually putting items on auction? Why should you actually do it? Well, when eBay just got started, auction was the only way you could list everything. Then it started to move into something called buy it now. With buy it now, you get instant gratification. You get the item by just pressing on it and buying it. You don't have to wait any time to get the item that you actually want. Take a look at this. This is all buy it now listings, and you can see how many of those sunglasses are actually sold. This one 858, this one 174, and so on. So you can see definitely that sunglasses are selling pretty well on eBay, but the prices are not doing too good. Now you might be thinking, well, maybe I should go about and sell this as an auction. Would I be getting more money with an auction kind of a listing? Maybe, maybe not. So let's go and check it out. How much can you get for an auction? Well, else it is just a fixed price listing. So over here you can see that format and all the listings themselves. There's 351,000 listings right now on eBay for this topic. Out of those, only 6,000 are auction. Everything else is actually buy it now. Let's press on auction. Let's see what is going on here. So by pressing on auction, you can see there is listings that are going for auction right now. And some of them are doing okay, some of them are not doing too well, such as this one right here. It's only $1.25, and this one is just starting. There's 6 days left for the auction. The benefits of having an auction is for expensive items. If you're listing items that you're getting from AliExpress, there is definitely no reason for you whatsoever to start as an auction. It's very unlikely people are going to bid the price of it up. On the other hand, if you have a brand name and you actually have one, then definitely an auction would work for you. So most of those auctions are going for actually brand name items. Since we'll be selling non-branded items, therefore almost everything that we'll be selling, it's much better for us to do it buy it now. People want to grab the item right away. They don't want to wait around 7 days to actually get the specific product. So they're going for the easiest thing and the fastest way to get the item that they actually want. So for example, if they go for this specific listing right here, this item is going for $7.99. All they have to do is just select the item that they actually want. Here is another tip for you how to maximize the amount of money that you can make when you're listing an item. You want to start at the cheapest possible price, such as this one that's going for $7.99. Then once you add other options to the multi-variation kind of a listing, you can start charging the price and move up the price level as well. So the first one started at a very low initial price, such as $7.99, and then some of the best-selling items that are more expensive are going a little bit higher, such as $10 and so on. But this specific seller doesn't want to get greedy. He's making money off the volume, and that's the way he's making cash here. He doesn't care about making an extra buck or two. He wants to make it by selling a lot of those products. So if you look at all the ones that he is selling right here, those are 500 plus listings that he actually sold. You can see that the most that he's making is around $10.99, but he doesn't care because he's making it off a very small margin. Since the margin is so small, he only can make money by selling a whole lot of those items. There's 523 items that he actually sold right here, which means that even if he makes a few bucks, and we're talking about $3 or less per item, he's still making a whooping amount of cash. So $3 times 423 equals around $1,569 that you can make altogether by selling a whole lot of those items. On the other hand, just think about it this way: if you are making around $7 per product and you only are able to sell around 20 of them, you're only going to make $140. So selling a huge volume at a very small amount of profit is definitely going to make you way more cash than selling a few products for a very big amount of a margin price. So it's up to you to decide which one is better for you, but I do suggest volume always works better in the long run than actually selling everything a lot more expensive, having less sales, and then eBay is not going to promote your actual listing. And the great thing about eBay itself, by having a lot more sales, eBay is actually going to promote your listing even more. So therefore, your actual amount that you're going to be making is going to increase exponentially because you already are making money for eBay. And since you're already making money for eBay, eBay wants to make more money for you as well. So it's going to extend more traffic to your listing and you're going to get a lot more sales.